morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your computer class. We are doing revision of lesson number 2, that is input and output devices. In this chapter we have done revision of some exercises like tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, one word answer. Now today we will revise question answer of this chapter. So students go through the video and watch it carefully, and after that I will give you some question answer to do, which you have to do and submit in your class group. Lesson number 2, input and output devices. In this chapter we have done revision of some exercises. Now today we will revise question answer of this chapter. Question number 1. What is a barcode reader? Answer is, a barcode reader is a handheld scanner. It reads or scans the barcodes that appear on different products using light beams and displays the information on the monitor. So barcode reader is a handheld scanner, means which can be taken in hand, and it scans the barcode. You have seen on every product, you have seen some linings or the bars, that is known as barcode, and it reads the barcode which give the information about the product, and this display these information on the monitor. Second question is, what is the difference between a magnetic card and a smart card reader? Here you have to give the difference between magnetic card and a smart card. First of all, you have to mention magnetic card on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you have to mention smart card reader, and then between these two headings you have to draw a line. Now first point is, it is used to read information contained in magnetic strip card, and in front of it you have to write the first point of smart card reader, that it reads the smart cards. After this, draw a line, and in second point it has the magnetic strip. In front of it you have to write second point of smart card reader, that it has the chip inside. Now after this, question number 3. Explain the utility of biometric device. Explain the uses of or importance of biometric device. Answer is, biometric devices are used to authenticate a person's identity. These days, smartphones and laptops come with the inbuilt biometric devices such as face recognition and fingerprint sensor. The use of the biometric device reduce the chances of fraud. Fourth question is, differentiate between an impact and a non-impact printer. Again you have to divide the page, and on the left hand side you have to write impact printer, on the right hand side you have to write non-impact printer. First point is, the character or graphic printing is done by striking on the paper, and in front of it, first point of non-impact printer is that there is no physical contact while printing the paper. Second point is, this type of printer creates noise. Impact printer create noise. Non-impact printer is quieter than impact printer. Question number 5. Define the term plotter. Describe different types of plotters. This question is divided into two parts. First of all, you have to define the term plotter. What is plotter? You have to mention it. Then how many types of plotter are there, and their types, and describe each of the plotter. Answer is, plotter prints vector graphics. This means it can print on very large sheets while maintaining high resolution. The different types of plotter are: number 1, drum plotter. In this type of plotter, paper is wrapped around a rotating drum with a pin-fed attachment. The drum revolves while the actual pen does the printing. In this type of plotter, paper is wrapped around a rotating drum, and when the drum rotates, the pin type attachment which is attached to it do the drawing work. Number 2, flatbed plotter. It is a graphic plotter that has a flat surface on which the paper is placed. It draws by moving a pen in both horizontal and vertical direction over a sheet of paper. So these are the 2 types of plotter. So students, go through the video and watch the video. After that, revise question answer. In your class group, I will give you some questions which you have to do and submit in the class group. In our next video, we will do some exercises. Thank you.